Thank you very much for the introduction, and thank you for attending this online presentation session. So I will present two master programs at Ansbach University of Applied Science. And first of all, I'd like to introduce our university. So Ansbach is a city of 42,000 residents. We are in the middle of a triangle between Nuremberg, Stuttgart, and Munich in the south of Germany. Ansbach University consists of four outposts besides the main campus in Ansbach. Every campus has a special role. I will come to that at a later point. So why should you choose Ansbach University? We are one of the youngest and modernest universities in Bavaria. We have a very modern equipment. Also, as we are quite young, our study groups are quite small. So this means you will get a very individual support and mentoring. All the groups are quite familiar. Further, we follow a hands-on mentality. So all the professors have practical expertise. A lot of them run their own business besides university. You will join a lot of lab work. There are also internships you can attend, and we have a lot of company projects where you can get in touch with your future companies to work in. Nevertheless, you can start your career with us. We have an annual university networking fair and job exchange. This year, it will be the biggest university networking fair ever for our university. Also, we have a very good career service that supports you in getting a job after your study when you finished. And further, there's a startup counseling. So if you're keen in running your own business, you will get much more support. You will get the knowledge how to start up and start with your own business. Also, we are award-winning. Based on students' opinions, we were placed on place number 15 out of 102 in Germany. In Bavaria, we got on place number 6 out of 21. So in this ranking, students choose which university is their favorite, and there we really were proud to get on this list this year. So on Ansbach University, we have 3 main faculties. There are 3 faculties: one faculty of business, one faculty of engineering, and a faculty of media. And there are several courses we offer in these 3 sectors. And I want to focus on 3 courses named Sustainable Engineering, which is a bachelor degree course, and on 2 master degree courses, Smart Energy Systems and Sustainable Building Systems. So all these 3 courses are placed on the energy campus of the university. At the beginning, I already introduced that we have several of these outposts, and the energy campus in Feuchtwangen is one of these special campuses, and we deal a lot about sustainability, about buildings, about energy. So based on the bachelor course, Energy and Building Technology, we have 2 of our master programs. sustainable building systems, and smart energy systems. Besides that, we are involved in research. We have different projects with companies like Siemens or Varta, and there are projects for further education for workers. So first of all, let me talk about smart energy systems. This course is all about our future energy systems. Future energy systems will consist of a lot of prosumers in the system. So this means all the attendants will not just consume energy, but they will also produce energy and feed this energy into a grid. And this has to be managed in a fairly way. With this course, we follow a lot of the mega trends of our time. So we come from our former system where we have a centralized energy conversion in big facilities like nuclear power plants or in coal power plants, and they just spread all the energy into the grid, and we had our consumers. This will be changed in the future where we have the so-called prosumers, which are participants in this network, and they will consume and produce energy in different ways. So we have the decarbonization. We want to get rid of all the fossil energy. We want to have a decentralization. So we have a lot of participants spread all over the country. And of course, we have the digitalization to manage all these decentralized participants in the future energy grid. What does this mean? One of the biggest topics, of course, is the simulation and optimization of energy systems. Another very important part is the Internet of Things. So we need a lot of intelligent electronics to manage everything. This goes along with a lot of information technology and also artificial intelligence. Nevertheless, you also have to take into account the economy in the energy sector, and this will make you to a future expert in smart energy systems. So this is about our smart energy systems master course. The other course we offer at our energy campus in Feuchtwangen is sustainable building systems. So we move along from the energy generation to the buildings where energy is consumed and also produced. The focus of the course is on achieving the climate targets about energy efficiency, green energy, sustainable materials, and of course, talents for the green transition. So to face all the challenges we have right now regarding the climate change and the energy efficiency, these will be accounted in this course. You will get a deep dive into energy efficient and net zero buildings. You will learn about eco-friendly green buildings. You will know what sustainable construction mean. You will learn how building information modeling systems work. There is a very deep dive into smart heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system. You will learn how demand response systems work and how they help to keep our environment green and reduce our energy consumption. Indoor air quality monitoring systems will be part of the lectures and much more. So on our energy campus, we have a lot of facilities to show, to practice how all the parts in modern buildings work, and you can just participate and train how everything works. There are on-site lectures and excursions together with big companies like Siemens. On the right side, you can see the visit of an electrolyzer, for example. We also have guests and technology fairs together with our partners. And as we are located in the south of Germany, you can find a lot of industry all around, which gives you a lot of job opportunities after your study. For more information, please visit our sites for the master courses. You will get an overview for smart energy systems and sustainable building systems. Also, you can visit our campus homepage or the homepage of the city of Feuchtwangen. And I also added the link to apply at Ansbach University. If you have any further questions after this session today, feel free to reach out. You can contact me for questions about the study program itself, about the contents. If you have general questions, you can contact Katharina Schaub. She's in the International Student Counseling, and she will support you with all the decisions around studying at Ansbach University.